Hey everyone, I'm gonna cut this whole entire mannequin with a feather razor. Now this is a professional tool. Do this at your own risk. I don't suggest doing this at home if you've never used this before. And if you are a hair professional, then again, do this at your own risk. The good thing about this feather razor is that it does have a guard on it, so you're not really gonna slice your finger. However, just always be careful. So what I'm gonna do is comb this down, and I'm kind of mapping out what I want to do. I want to create some sort of like just soft, messy, more of a textured type of look. I can't really put a name on it, to be honest with you. And they're just, I would probably say, the worst mannequins. Super pin straight, fine hair, just not like the greatest, to be honest with you. However, so that's what makes it more difficult. People think cutting mannequins is easy. It's actually harder than you would think. So first section right here in the middle, and let's go to about right here. All right, that's my first section right there. Right now what I'm doing is I'm establishing the length, and the length is basically where the bottom is gonna end up being, like the base foundation. The good thing about this hair type is that it cuts really easily because it's a finer, very, very, very straight texture, so it actually cuts easier on the head. Once again, I'm trying to not get in the way of the camera, so I apologize if things might look a little even or uneven. It's because I'm trying to just keep it all, I'm not trying to get in the shot, so I might have a clear vision of where I'm cutting. That's what's good about this razor also, is the fact that it does have this guard on the blade right here, so you're not gonna be cutting yourself. So I can go right up against it and press on my finger and I'll be good. Now, can you cut someone else? Yes. So if you're using this, do it again at your own risk. All right, so now let's go and start to create the shape in through here. Now where I'm cutting this is where I want this hair to live. So I'm just gonna work my way downwards like this. Everyone, so this was a complete just wing it job, just going crazy, having some fun here. And the whole thing was done with a razor. The razor, I think for these types of hair textures, especially if you have Asian hair, finer hair, even, maybe the hair is a little bit thinner, this will work great because it really allows you to get that texture and that volume that you need, because it's creating separate, kind of separation from the hair. So it's gonna help add some volume to it. And then I blow dried it. I used a little bit of my Tidal Wave sea salt spray. And then I used Structure Styler, believe it or not, because I wanted something just to give it a little bit of pliability, because hairstyles like this or hair textures can soak up a lot of whatever it is you're using. And Structure Styler is actually designed just to give you a core foundation, a base, something very light, very, very pliable, probably the most pliable product I've ever worked with, because you can literally reshape it and restyle it in a matter of ways within seconds, and it's literally mind-blowing how amazing this is and how much volume you get, but it feels absolutely weightless. I mean, there's no denying, look at the volume here. I just did this for you real time in front of me. So I wanted something that's gonna be a bit pliable. So if you can't keep reshaping and restyling with using maybe a hair powder or something, because it doesn't have the technology, so to speak, or the craftsmanship that went into creating structure. So this was, no particular name of a haircut, just something I wanted to be a little edgy with, showcase using a razor of what the razor does, how it creates more of a wispy look. And I know some of you may be saying, that's wild, I'll never wear my hair like this. I just want to show something different, and I hope you all enjoyed it and appreciate the technique that went into utilizing a different tool to create this type of look. So if you want to check out Structure Styler, which I really suggest you do, it's a very unique, Very, very sophisticated product. Smells incredible. Kind of its own category because it's such a premium product. I highly invite you to check it out. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.